everyone, Jana Oliveira here for Oscraps.com, and every month we have this tutorial for you showing more kind of a step-by-step layout using some mixed supplies here from the designers. And for the new year here, and welcome if this is your first time, and I would encourage you to look at our past layouts. Every month we have more of a kind of a scrapbook layout tutorial and giving you some ideas and tips how to use the products. And let's start with January. So here I'm using today the template from Art Therapy Dottie number 2 from Blue Flower Art, and I'm using here from Viva Artistry Cairo, and also the set of masks that come with Cairo, which I'm going to show you here. These are the masks also that come with it. I still have an old preview from them when they used to be at Scrapbook Graphics, but now they are all at Oscraps. So it's really wonderful that we can work with this. It's really wonderful that we can work with this supplies. So let's get it started. And as always, we have a blog post, and we are going to post all the links for you, and also other team work that the team did with some other layouts for you to have some other ideas with the same project, which is always fun because they always create very different from my style. So here I got started with some things that I wanted to show you. I'm gonna hide these layers. So this is the template, and I started with this background paper from the kit, which is a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful paper. And I started with the mask, and I clipped the paper, and I put the mask on an overlay blend mold. Then I used another of the masks, which you see here, and I brought this picture here, which is this picture. But what I did, I went to enhance and convert to black and white. If you are on Photoshop, full Photoshop, you can use adjustment layers, and black and white, you're gonna have some more options there. Or you can use also, color, whatever you want. I wanted to give a little contrast and break here on this background because this background is kind of heavy with all this paper and masks. So for now, I'm going to remove a little bit. I'm going to use just splashes here, and I'm going to load this kit. The bundle come with a glitter style, so I'm gonna load here in Photoshop. You just go to this upper menu here and click load, and I'm going to remove the state box. I like newsprint. Oh, it's over here, texture. So I'm going to apply a style. So I'm going to put this kind of white texture here, glitter style. So now we can start building. This is kind of the background that I want, so everything's set up. We have this kind of stain here, and what I'm going to do first, I'm going to clip the pictures, and then we're gonna change that. So let me put first my position here. I'll bring her. So I want to make this picture bigger, both of them. I think they could have some more real estate here in the layout. And again, feel free that the designer starts that layout for you, but we can, we can change things and make it our own. And this is good because then your template is gonna have, a lot of ways to be used, so you don't think you need to use the template once and you don't have, more things to do with the template? Absolutely not. So they are linked here, so she linked for us so we can move around and we don't have to worry about, you know, things being not moving with you. Gonna clip, and then again it's command option alt, and you click and you see that kind of a clipping motion there. Here, see there, so looks good. So this is the base of the layout. So now we just have to put some elements, and I'm gonna bring back the coffee cup stain here, and the splashes as well. And I'm gonna leave actually this red because her shirt has red, so it goes really well already with I always change a little bit with the color of the photo, so that will go well. So I'm gonna put some elements here and show you guys. I put a little bit of lacy here as well. I feel that when I lay out for her, I can use some more flowers because she's okay with it. So I used a soft light, so it gives just a matter of the clock, the showing the clock there. And I just feel we need just something here that we can create a third element and a third word strip, so we keep on the thirds there, or maybe over here. So it's always good to maintain things in thirds. So what I'm going to do is to get yeah, and what I would do, so pretty much this is the way it ends. You can certainly use a word art, big word art if you want. I don't think it's necessary on this layout, but you can certainly use a word art. So if you use a word art, I would certainly put something like here, and to call more attention, so it would be on the top here, or you could also put over here in the middle. That would be some nice places to put a word art. So I'm going to post in the blog post the finish. What I have to do really is just to shadow all of this, and I don't want you to just see me using styles and using that. So and you can use the Photoshop ones, but this is the way that I would mix. So you see that we come from a very you know, maybe white space template, and then we can fill out using the mask and putting a background paper, and we're gonna have other examples in the blog post as well. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.